Sorry guys, I was being quiet. I'm gonna tell you guys about my two dogs. This is a brand new puppy. He's 6 months. We got him, we got this, the puppy, we got him like I think in June or July. He was 5 months and he's still a baby. And then, we forgot, when did we get, Chloe? Her name is Chloe. And she's really cute and she's playing with Chubbs. I don't know if she doesn't like him because he bites her and he tries to like flirt with her and stuff, and he's a pervert. Just kidding. He likes to play because he's kind. He likes to play. She does not like to play because she doesn't like chihuahuas, like other chihuahuas. She just doesn't like them. So this dog, his name is Chubbs because he's chubby, and he likes to play with her because I don't know if they're becoming friends or they're not friends, because I just want Chubbs to I just want Chubbs to make new friends so he could play with her. But I don't think Chloe doesn't like him, and now he just hurt her. So I'm sorry. I just want to make this. She just bit his cheek. Oh, poor Chubbs. And I hope you like this video of Chubbs and Chloe playing. But if you think this video is like, oh, he's so mean to her, or like, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to make this video like funny, but not like to hurt her. But he already hurt her. But they're just playing. Okay, I'm sorry. He really likes to play because he's friendly. He's really friendly. Chubbs, he's friendly. So right now he's 6 months. Chloe's like maybe like six years old, or I don't know how old is she, but I'll make more videos of Chubbs and Chloe, and I'll make more videos of me playing video games and some updates. I will tell you guys updates on, maybe tomorrow I'll tell you more updates. And I think they had enough. They had enough playing. So so I hope you guys enjoy this video of Chubbs and Chloe playing together. But she really hates him. She does not hate him, but she doesn't like him. So I'm sorry. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video, and subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Hope you have a wonderful day. And Miku-san, gamer girl.